Welcome. In LogRids, we will be discussing pricing guidelines under FEMA. How the shares are to be priced under FEMA. The shares are not, pricing of share is not regulated or controlled. However, they are subject to certain condition of pricing guidelines. In case of issuance of equity share capital to person resident outside of India, the price shall be determined in case of a listed company on the basis of the relevant SEBI guidelines, and in case of unlisted company, fair market value is to be ascertained on arm's length basis and to be certified by a chartered accountant or SEBI merchant banker or a cost accountant, and the pricing shall not be less than such fair value. Similarly, in case of transfer of equity shares by a person resident in India to resident outside India, fair value is to be ascertained in a similar manner. Listed company by relevant SEBI guidelines. In case of unlisted company, again fair value to be ascertained by certified by a chartered accountant, cost accountant or SEBI merchant banker, and price cannot be less than the fair value. However, in case of transfer by a person resident outside of India to resident in India, value is determined in the similar manner. However, the pricing cannot be more than the fair value. Further, in case of swap of equity instruments, the valuation is to be done only by the merchant banker. Only merchant banker is allowed here, or by investment banker which is registered with the appropriate regulatory authority of the host country. Partly paid off shares, the pricing is to be done upfront on the issue of the partly paid off shares. On in any convertible instruments, again valuation or pricing is to be done upfront at the time of issuance of those convertible instruments, including the share warrants. And pricing of LLP is also to be done as per the market price, fair price of the capital, and a valuation certificate to that effect is to be obtained from a chartered accountant or a practicing cost accountant, or by an approved valuer from the panel maintained by the central government. However, there are few instances where pricing guidelines are not applicable. One is when instrument in investment in equity instrument by a person resident outside India is on non-repatriation basis, or in the case transfer is by way of sale done in accordance with the SEBI regulation where the pricing is prescribed by SEBI. A chartered accountant certificate to the effect that relevant SEBI regulations and guidelines have been complied has to be attached while reporting such transaction. Valuation certificate issued by a chartered accountant or a SEBI registered merchant banker or a practicing cost accountant must not be more than 90 days from the date of transfer in all cases. Thank you.